Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Leland Fitria. I'm from Computer and Network Engineering. So my number option is exam. Today I will explain what I learned from Module 1. In Module 1, I learned about Necrotic. And for the story of Necrotic, you can find out the founders of Necrotic were John Trulli and Artis Reisens. It is located in Riga, Latvia, Northern Europe. Other software and hardware manufacturer. The purpose of establishing Mikrotik is to make internet technology cheaper, faster, reliable, and widely portable. Mikrotik's motto is routing the world. And then Mikrotik Router OS, operating system used by Mikrotik Router code service can be installed on a PC or as a VM or virtual machine. Mikrotik Router Board, created to run the Router OS operating system, available from low-end to high-end routers. Other code on router board is in here. Layer. Open System Interconnection or OSI Layer 7 is a network architecture developed by the International Organization for Standardization (ISO) in Europe in 1977. Before OSI, network systems were highly dependent on different network equipment supply vendors. The OSI Layer 7 model is a logical connection that must occur for data communication to occur in the network. And then protocol TCP and UDP. TCP is more reliable. TCP is used for IP because it supports error checking. UDP is faster. UDP is used for video streaming, games, and other applications that require data rates. And then explanation for MAC address. MAC address is MAC address or media access control address is a network address at the data link layer 2 in the OC 7-layer model. A MAC address is a unique address that has a length of 48 bits. The MAC consists of a 16-digit hexadecimal number 0 to F. The first 6 digits represent the vendor that made the network card. And then IP address. IP or Internet Protocol is contained in the network layer 3 of IOC, used for communication between network devices. There are two types of IP address. The first one is IPv4, 32-bit addressing. IPv4 divided into 4 blocks. And then for the IPv6, 128-bit addressing. IPv6 is divided into 8 blocks. And then for the IPv4 class division, for the class A is like this, and the class B and the class C. Private IP. Based on the type, IP addresses are divided into public IP and private IP. Public IP is an IP address that is used for direct and unique global network internet connection. Private IP is used for local network or LAN. Subnetting. Subnetting is a way to spread and distribute multiple IP addresses. Subnets are written in 32-bit format such as IP or in decimal from long prefix. And every class has the different subnet marks. Then network ID and podcast. In the IP address group or one subnet, there are two IPs that are special. Network ID, the identity of an IP group or subnet. Broadcast IP address used to call all IPs in one. This is for the example. And then this is the table of subnet IP calculation. And if your prefix is 24, you will have subnet marks like this. And then this is for IP address, how to configure it. IP address laptop, setting the IP address so that the laptop can communicate directly with the router. Test ping from router to router, make sure you can configure it like this. IP address and subnet mask. And then one configuration, the wireless interface in Mikrotik is named WLAN 1 wireless LAN interface. By default, after the router is reset, the interface is disabled. Enable the interface through the wireless menu, like this. And then LAN configuration in the laptop. You can configuration in like this. And this is for the DNS server. You can put it 8888 because it's DNS from Google. And then OneNet configuration. NIT network address translation is used so that clients on the local network can access the public network internet. And then upgrade router OS. Upgrades are used to fix bugs, security, new features, and others. Upgrade, there are two ways. One, upgrade package from router internet required, and then manual upload package. And the last one, reset configuration. Configuration reset is used to restore a setting to default or factory setting. Reset neurotic configuration is needed if 1. Forgot username or password when logging in, and 2. Need to set up from scratch complex configuration. Configuration reset can be done by hard reset, reset locally, soft reset, and reinstall. And that's my explanation for my module 1. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.